The number one tool for controlling Word documents is the normal style. Whether you're talking about cleaning up problems that already exist in your document, modifying a document so that it matches something that you're looking for, or even controlling every new document you create, you're always using the same tool, that core normal style. So let's take a look at a couple of examples of it being used effectively. Let's start with controlling the document that's right in front of you. So right here we have a document with lots and lots of content throughout that, as you can see in the top left-hand corner, is using this Aptos font and the 11-point font size. And if I wanted all of this content text to use a different font or a different size, most people would be drag selecting all of the contents so that they could make specific choices. But the much faster way is to realize that every single one of these words has quote-unquote the normal style applied to it. So all I have to do is go to the Home tab at the top of the screen, find that Styles group, and find the normal style. You can see mine's already highlighted here. If I right-click on Normal, I can choose to modify that style, and let's say instead of Aptos 11-point text, that I want to go with Times New Roman, and I want to go with 12-point text. By changing the normal style, it'll immediately change everything about the contents of my document. I click OK, and there it is, 12-point Times New Roman. Here's our next scenario. As you can see in this version of the document, I have some text that's bolded, I have some text that's underlined and red, and for some reason, I also have some text that has a completely different font applied altogether. Now, many of us would think that we have to scroll through this entire document to clean up all of those little problems. But all we have to do is this. We go up to the top of the screen where it says Normal, we right-click, and we see that there is an option here for us to select every single normal text that's in this entire document. So I click on Select All. As you can see, it highlights all of that stuff except for the headings. And now I can use one of three different buttons. I can use the Clear Formatting button up at the top of the screen in the font group. Looks like a letter A with an eraser on it. I can use the normal style here as a button, or I can use the keyboard shortcut Control Spacebar. I'll use Control Spacebar here, and as you can see, throughout the entire document, all of the weird formatting has been removed. Here's our last use case, and this is one that happens all the time. You ever notice that every single time you open Microsoft Word and start typing, it uses the same font? And if that's not the right font for you, a lot of people spend the rest of their lives highlighting all the text and changing it to a different font. But there's a really easy way to solve this problem. Go to the normal style up at the top of the screen, right-click on it, and then choose Modify, and do the same thing we did in the first exercise, except for one last thing. So let's say that for formatting here, I'm going to decide to use Arial as the font. Let's say that I'll use 12-point text. And then, right at the end, I choose this radio button right here. Instead of affecting only the document I have open right now, I can instead say, every time I make a new document from scratch, use the same choice. So now, when I click OK, and I hit File and New, and make a new blank document, you're going to see that it uses Arial 12-point text.